How to create a Droid VPN account. So if you want to create a Droid VPN account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Droid VPN, and after searching, here you will have droidvpn.com on the first search. Click on that, and after that, to create your Droid VPN account, you can simply go for sign up, which is here on the upper right. Click on that sign up, and now you can simply go for username. Here on the first blank, you need to enter your username, and after entering, here you need to create your password, and after that, here you need to enter your email address. And after entering your information, click on I'm not a robot, and then click on sign up now, and that's it. Now you can simply go for your email, open up your email which you have just entered, and then you will get a registration link to your email. So simply go for this URL, click on that URL, and that's it. Your account has been activated. So that's it. That's how you create your DroidVPN account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.